to my channel. It's Cook with T, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best macaroni cheese. So you're going to need a bag of macaroni. This is 500 grams, 1 egg, salt, paprika, cheese. The cheeses I'm using are cheddar, gouda, monterey jack, and parmesan. And then I've got 1 stick of butter melted, black pepper, and 1 can of evaporated milk. And let's get started. I've already done my macaroni. I just boiled it for 10 minutes and added a bit of salt. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the macaroni to the dish, like so. So I'm just going to spread out everything like so. The next thing we're going to add to the macaroni is the stick of butter, which I've melted. I'm going to pour it in. And then I'm going to mix everything about, make sure it's all incorporated. And I'll be back once I've done mixing. And now that I've added the butter, I'm now going to add the milk. Just a whole can of evaporated milk. And then I'm gonna add salt, and that's pepper, sorry. Salt, just add it to taste, really. And my paprika seasoning. Open it from this side. And now I'm gonna mix it all together. Like so. It's really hard to because I'm looking through the camera and I'm looking at with my eyes at the food as well, and it's actually really hard to do this at the same time. So now let me just move this a bit more forward. So now what I'm going to do is add the egg. You can add as much, well, you can add 2 eggs if you like. It depends on how you like your macaroni cheese. If you like it in a more cakey consistency, but I don't really like that, so I just added 1 egg. I'm gonna mix everything together, make sure it's all incorporated, and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I've mixed everything in, I'm now gonna add my cheeses. I've pre-cut these cheeses into squares because I don't know, I just wanted it like that. So keep on knocking this tripod. So I'm going to add the cheeses like so. Just want to make sure all the cheeses are mixed in with it. So and now I've got my cheddar grated, so I'm just gonna add a handful of cheddar because I'm gonna add cheddar on top soon. You'll see what I'm talking about. So now that you've got everything pretty much mixed in, you're going to put this in the oven to bake for 25 minutes. And I'll be back once I take it out. Okay, so now I've had the macaroni in for 15 minutes. And now I'm going to mix everything like so. As you can see, it's starting to fully cook and everything. So I'm going to mix It smells lovely. Gonna mix everything. So now that I've mixed, oh, see, as you can see, there's still some cheese bits I haven't melted. So now I've mixed it. I'm gonna put some cheddar on top. This is grated cheddar. I'm gonna pour that on top. Take away the spoon. Pour everything. And now I'm gonna put it back. And this time it's gonna go in for 25 minutes. First time was 15, now it's 25. And it will be done by the time I take it out. So I'm gonna put it back in and I'll be back. I've just taken my macaroni cheese out of the oven and this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and thank you for watching. Bye.